Another flashpoint between Maharashtra state and the centre, this time over Chief Minister Uddhav Thakere's dream project, the Mumbai Coastal Road project. After BJP alleged that there's fraud and irregularities in the project report, the Mumbai civic body has hit back with a 7-point rebuttal. It's made it clear that the all traffic analysis was done, due process was followed while paying contractors, and even a panel was set up to look into the resettlement of fishermen. Remember, the BJP had cited the Comptroller and Auditor General report and several allegations, including claims that there were no experts to oversee the project and that the contractors were paid without work.
BMC has finally responded to the allegations made by BJP's Ashish Shelar based on the CAG report regarding Mumbai's Coastal Road project. So this is what BMC has to say. BMC has denied all the allegations. One by one, BMC has given clarification for all the allegations and the questions which were first raised by the CAG, and then later on Ashish Shelar made them the base for his allegations. BMC has said that it is wrong to say that payments were made for the work which was not even done. All the payments regarding coastal road projects were done keeping the guideline and the procedure in mind. Second, BMC has said that it is wrong to say that BMC did not study the road traffic situation properly before starting the project. In fact, it was in 2015 that the development plan of the city was uploaded on BMC's website, and traffic survey also is a part of that development plan. BMC has also said that BMC has roped in Tata Institute of Social Studies to understand what kind of impact coastal road project will have on the fishermen community, and BMC is working on their rehabilitation. BMC has denied the allegations that it has not given an undertaking that there will be no construction work, residential or commercial, along coastal road. BMC has said that it was in 2019 itself that BMC had informed all the authorities that no construction should be allowed along coastal road. BMC has also responded to the construction cost of the project going from 252 crore rupees per kilometer in 2011 up to rupees 1274 crore per kilometer in 2018. BMC has said that the project, all the cost which was estimated in the beginning of the project, that was years ago, and in all these years the cost of every construction material and everything has gone up. That is why the cost has increased. So this is what the explanation of BMC is, stating that there is absolutely no irregularity in coastal road project.